Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we'll talk about getting buy-in for a new blog. What do I mean by that? Well, there are two elements to this. First, if you're starting a venture like a blog, it is so much easier if you have the support of the people close to you. Tell your friends and family members what you are planning. Not only will they be excited about it, they may lend a hand. Someone may know how to design a blog page. You may get tips from someone who has been blogging for a while, or people may give you ideas for blog posts. Second, and this is extremely important, if your blog is going to be about people other than yourself, you need to consider whether you need their permission to write about them. Obviously, if you're blogging about celebrities, you're probably giving your opinions about things that are already public knowledge, and this isn't a factor. But if you're writing about your family members, talk to them first. If your family includes kids who are too young to give permission, talk to the other parent. Be very careful what you write about when it comes to kids. They may be kids, but they still have a right to privacy, and you need to be absolutely certain that nothing you are writing can come back to hurt them in any form at any time. Once your kids reach the age of being able to express an opinion, have a conversation with them about the content of your blog. Tell them what you are doing to protect their privacy and make sure they are okay with you writing about them. Also bear in mind that the kinds of issues teenagers have that you may be tempted to write about can be deeply personal. So even if you do have the buy-in of the people you are writing about, be mindful of how the content you are putting out can impact them. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.